Hello, I just got this cool tie-down system for my truck, and I happen to be taking a load of junk to the dump today. So, and at our local dump, if you don't have it covered, you get a fine. So fastening the tarp has always been a problem. So I think this is going to work really well for me. I'm going to just try to clip the grommets of the tarp onto these nice little fasteners that are in the bed of my truck. So we will go here. So you can see I got that one fastened on, and I'm going to move back and fasten it in another place. So hopefully